Welcome everybody. This is your host Ali Rathor from TechWrath TV, and in this quick tutorial what I'm going to teach you is how to change the breadcrumbs. So by default I'm using the users one. So I'm going to change this users to maybe user management for this example. So how you can change the breadcrumbs. Go to your source code. I'm using Visual Studio, and go to the app folder. I'm going to zoom in for now. Then go to the Filament folder, and inside the Filament folder you'll have the resources folder. Once you click it, you'll see all the resources that you have, and by default you'll have a user resource, this one. So I'm going to click it and open the code. In the code, after the class, you'll see this hero icon, which is by default with everybody. So all you need to do is write down the following code. So write protected static question mark string, and then we will use $breadcrumb equal to, and we're going to change the name to user management so that you guys can clearly see this thing does make a change. I'm going to save the project, come back to my front end and press F5 and let this load. I'm using exam and a local Apache server with MySQL database, and this is Filament 3.2. So once it refreshes, you'll actually see these breadcrumbs being updated. Now you can see the breadcrumb is updated to user management. So that's how you can actually update your breadcrumbs. Hope this was helpful to you, and stay tuned for more small tutorials to update your Filament admin panel. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and follow for more, and you can support the channel by joining us on Patreon as well. I'm your host Ali Rathor from TechWrath TV. See you guys later.